I've got a shelter, I've got fire. I think it's time to start working on dinner. Alright, I got a sweet potato and a little bit of tin foil here. We're gonna wrap that up. There you go. Got a nice pile of coals here. Bury that sweet potato in the coals for about 45 minutes. Most foods cook at around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Hold your hand over the fire and count 1, 2, 3. And when you can get to 3 without it hurting, that's about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So right about here. As the fire kind of changes, you need to adjust your meat. I like a little bread with my steak, so I brought along some bread dough. I made this up like a week ago and didn't use it, so I threw it in the fridge and it's still good. Yeah, just got a little bit more of that sourdough goodness. Oh, pretty little piece of bread right there. We're gonna have some herbal tea. Oh, that's done. Put that there. Let's take a peek. That's looking pretty good. Some honey and butter I'm gonna put on there. Sweet potato is so mushy. It's exactly how it should be. I'm gonna put a little cinnamon on my sweet potato and on my bread. We got sweet potato and cinnamon, honey butter and bread, and 2 massive chunks of seasoned steak. There you go. That is good. Oh, that was good.